Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Yoo jung, future and spouse fortune analysis. Yoo jung has such a beautiful smile. At the request of the YouTube subscriber, Yoo jung analyzed the future and spouse. What kind of stories will unfold? Let's analyze it together. As analyzed earlier, the letters referring to Yoo jung's self are candles. She is a thoughtful, warm-hearted woman like a candle, and she is very delicate. Right below the letter pointed to herself is her heart for her spouse, who recognizes her spouse as a pretty and lovely being. If she has a boyfriend, Yoo jung will think that he is cute, pretty, and more lovely. But on the right side of the letter that points to her, there is a letter that corresponds to a real spouse. They are in conflict, but rather than having a good relationship, I think they will have a slightly different opinion or sharp advice. Conflicts vary greatly depending on utilization. It is because it also plays a role in inspiring vitality. And this character also plays a good role in Yoo jung's fortune because it gives her execution, determination, and patience. It's the flow of energy in Yoo jung's fortune. There are areas where co-prosperity works well, and there are conflicts. The pink arrow is a win-win and the blue arrow means a collision. Therefore, it would be better to say that a collision in a win-win structure means a sense of life. So, what will Yoo jung's future and spouse look like? Yoo jung is active until the age of 24, but after the age of 25, as there are more competitors, she is a candlelight, and there is a time when the sun appears, which makes her a bit upset. Being a competitor means a competitor in acting, but also a competitor in love. Therefore, it would be better for her to get married after 30 years of age. She will be active until 25. But I think she will be a little less active than now. It means that her activities are slightly reduced, not that she is inactive at all. She will do many good activities. And from the age of 45, the second heyday comes back, so much luck awaits her. At this time, her spouse is busy and she will have a very busy time with each other. Therefore, I hope her prepare well for this period and take advantage of her best activities until she is 24. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.